Today, I'm excited to share with you a tool I've personally developed, an automated Excel program for bar bending schedules, designed specifically for engineers, estimators, and construction professionals. Whether you're preparing takeoffs, managing materials, or issuing reports, this Excel-based tool is built to support and streamline your workflow. Stick around, and I'll walk you through how it works, with real examples showing how it can save you time, reduce material waste, and make rebar scheduling more efficient than ever. Let's get started. I've also included visual bar shapes, automatic formatting, and smart calculations to give your bar bending schedule a clean and professional look. Another user-friendly feature is that the input dimensions are automatically highlighted based on the selected bar code, allowing you to easily identify which measurements apply to each shape, improving clarity and reducing mistakes. All you need to do is input the bar dimensions and quantities. The program will automatically compute the total weight, and even select the most efficient commercial rebar length to ensure minimal wastage. This program simplifies the way we calculate total rebar quantities and weights, making the process faster, more accurate, and less prone to error. A standout feature of this tool is its ability to track and utilize excess rebar lengths, helping you make the most of every cut and significantly reduce scrap material. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.